guys, and welcome back to my channel. So based on a suggestion made by one of us, I promised that I was going to make this video. So as the title says, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved the super nice curls that you guys saw in my lookbook video, the summer haul lookbook video thing. I'm going to link it here. If you haven't seen the video, please go and see it. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I did. So quickly, I've already washed my hair. This is the washed hair and deep conditioned hair already, and I'm going to be getting right into making the twists. So you can section your hair into different any size, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, depending on the volume of your hair. So mine is in 6 parts. This is how each one looks. So my hair now is sectioned into 12 parts, as you can see, and this is the first part. We'll be going into the products I used shortly. I have the mixture of essential oils which I used, the water that we use for moisture, hair moisturizing lotions, shea butter. This is a raw shea butter, and I have my detangler as well. So let's get right into it. For those of if your hair is without moisture, you can apply the water, but if you just finish washing your hair and it still has lots of moisture, you wouldn't need that. Next, you would have to use oil, or I used these oils on my hair, and it was about 6 drops of oil, I think. It depends on how big or small the section is, just use at your discretion. So yeah, after adding all the products like I did in the first one, the moisturizing lotion, the shea butter, and then after doing that, you detangle. Same process, and I'm just going to be doing that for the rest of the sections in this video. So let me not talk too much. I'll just allow you to enjoy and watch and see how I do it. So for some of the sections, they were bigger, so instead of 2 twists, I made 3 out of them. But then it's just the same process all over. Apply your products, apply them properly, detangle the hair, make sure there is a reasonable amount of moisture, and twist all the way down to the tip. And make sure that your twists are tight. Make sure twists are tight. So if you want like really defined curls, it should be really tight. If you don't want really defined curls, you just want them a bit wavy, then the twist will be a bit larger and still secure enough, but maybe not as tight as that. Maybe I would do another video to show you the other kind of curls that you can achieve, still with this same process, but in a little more technicalities applied to them. So yeah, let me not talk too much, just watch, and yeah, hope you enjoy it.
Travel many miles with you, and I travel across the world, it's true, just to see the pretty smile again.
this is our finished look. This is so pretty. Even though it's not perfect, you can see the patterns. I didn't even use any tail comb or anything to part the hair. I just used my hand to do the sectioning myself, and of course it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, and this altogether were like, let's say, an average of 30 strands. And after that, we're just going to be tying up our hair, and with any silk or satin material that you have, or bonnet for your hair, and sleep with it overnight and wake up tomorrow looking pink. And so we're going to be taking out the hair. This was actually 2 days after, because I was going out the next day and I couldn't film the other part of this video. I actually went out with this hair like this and it was really nice. So maybe if you want something more perfect, you can make it you can make your patterns more defined, but it doesn't really matter because it still turned out nice. So now we're going to be unraveling our twists. So first, just put moisture in your hand and maybe some lotion or any oil, just in case the hair is a little dry, in case you didn't put in enough products. But it was totally unnecessary for me to do that because I realized I had enough products in my hair already. So from what you'll be seeing here, you should, when unraveling the twist, start from the tip to try to release the knots so that you avoid having knots at the tip of the hair. And after that, for each part of the unraveled twist, you divide it into two. So for the twist, they were bigger in size. I divided each part of one twist into 3, I guess, but just at your discretion. But don't lose, for you not to lose the curls. Just go gentle and easy. As you can see, I'm not stretching it out. I'm just using my hands to divide them where they naturally divide, if that makes any sense. And yeah, that's what I'll keep doing. I'll keep unraveling and keep dividing, as you can see right there. Like I said, make sure you start from the tip down and then work your way upwards to the root of the hair. So that's what we're going to be doing. For you to get these defined curls like this, I think that I would recommend that the longer it stays, the better results that you get. The hair I used in the lookbook it stayed for almost a week. I carried the twist for almost a week, and then I was going for the shoot. I was like, I'm just gonna unravel it. So it gave a different result at the end of the day. But this was just for 2 days, less than 2 days, let's just say like 30 hours or so, and this is the result, which is still cute and nice and pretty. And this is you can style this in different ways. This is just a center part, simple, that was natural based on how I sectioned the hair. And you can put a bow on it, you can accessorize with it. There are just different inspirations that can come with styling this hair. Maybe in another video, if you guys would be interested, I can show you different ways you can style this and rock it beautifully. But till then, this is just another way you can style it. This is me putting it up in a side part basically. And yeah, just keep working your way through and arranging, adjusting till you get the look that you want. This is just something simple, nice, pretty, that you can go to school with. You can even go on a date, go on a really good occasion with, and all of that. And when you accessorize with this stuff, it's just really pretty, honestly. I really love my natural hair, and I just get inspirations once my hand touch my hair. I don't even know what I want to do, but somehow something comes up and I do it. So this is just me playing around with the hair. For my edges, I didn't use any edge control of any sort. I didn't use any gel. for me, because I don't want to use any other product except from the natural products I use for my hair, I use the castor oil. I heard it's good for the edges, and it has this kind of texture that actually makes your hair to lie down. So what I do is that I apply it and then tie the edge and take it out when I'm about to leave the house. Even if it's just for 10 or 15 or 20 minutes, it does something. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love the finished look. Let me know if you're going to try it, and yeah, you can send me pictures of you rocking this hair. And yeah, I enjoyed making this video. Let me know what next you want to see, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.